Hello, AI enthusiasts. Welcome to today's AI News Roundup, brought to you by AI. I'm your host, Babs, and I've got the latest updates on artificial intelligence developments from around the world. Let's dive in. Our news for today includes the obscene energy demands of AI, The New Yorker. I fell under the spell of an AI psychologist. Then things got a little weird. ZDNet, ready to invest in artificial intelligence AI? Two Nvidia alternatives, the Motley Fool. And welcome to the Valley of the Creepy AI Dolls, Wired. Let's get in deep with the news. In 2016, Alex DeVries created the Bitcoin Energy Consumption Index to track the energy use and environmental impact of Bitcoin mining. He later expanded his focus to the energy-intensive nature of AI and its potential impact on sustainability. The article highlights concerns about the mismatch between technology and environmental sustainability, as well as the need for technological breakthroughs to meet growing electricity demands. The increase in global CO2 emissions and the role of data centers in energy consumption are also discussed. DeVries emphasizes the importance of disclosure requirements as a policy solution, expressing disappointment in the slow progress in addressing the energy consumption of AI. The article explores the author's experience with AI psychologists on Character.ai. They initially interact with a psychologist who provides professional and polite responses discussing topics like happiness and mental health. The author becomes intrigued by the personal tone of the AI psychologist and contemplates sharing personal issues. They then engage in conversations with AI versions of William Shakespeare and Napoleon Bonaparte, with Shakespeare being unpleasant and Napoleon being delightful. The author reflects on the caring, entertaining, and human-like qualities of AI characters, raising questions about the future of AI as close friends. The surge of interest in AI has boosted the stock market, with companies like Nvidia and Supermicro Computers seeing significant gains. However, there are other ways to tap into the AI boom, such as investing in Google parent Alphabet and chip manufacturer Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing. TSMC is positioned to benefit from the increasing demand for AI chips, while Alphabet's commitment to integrating AI across its advertising products makes it a leader in the field. Both stocks have room to grow and are undervalued in the AI market, offering potential for investors. A Korean company called Hyodoll showcased a ChatGPT-enabled companion doll at Mobile World Congress, designed to provide interactive digital companionship for older adults. The doll, priced at $1,800, can hold conversations, provide health reminders, and be monitored remotely. The use of AI in companion dolls aims to alleviate loneliness, particularly in nursing homes. However, there are concerns about the effectiveness and ethical implications of these devices. The market for social robots, including adorable companion bots, is growing, but cultural acceptance varies. The potential for attachment and over-reliance on the dolls has been observed, raising questions about social interactions and human connection. Despite their limitations, these devices offer a sense of being needed and the opportunity to pour one's feelings into something else. And that's a wrap for today's AI News Roundup. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for your daily dose of AI updates. And if you want to catch up on any news you missed, check out one of the other videos on the screen. And hey, why did the AI go to school? To get a little bite of knowledge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.